Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A55. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive button and wait. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and allow camera access in the pop-up. Now point your camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!